Sorry for that. I had my alarm on, so it kept stopping the recording. I may just combine them all when I publish it on YouTube, so probably no problem for y'all. Crap, why is this thing stuck? Trying to see why it's stuck. Oh yeah, my fault. This part right here, somebody did a horrible job at putting this together. They probably got tired or something, I don't know. Oh crap. There we go. So, that was kind of hard. Don't know why. Oh yeah, forgot to take this off. Sorry. This part right here, you gotta take off or it's gonna be very hard to remove. Now that we got that off, this power flux cable, that's the part I was talking about. You do not want to rip it. So you see how it looks? That's how it looks without being ripped. If it's ripped, the volume rockers and the power button will not work. So now this thing is very, very dusty. Very dusty. I believe I had cloth, but I'll do that later. I'll probably do that later. I'm not really sure. Just keep looking at the iPod. I'll be right back. Okay, so I got it. It was on. So, you see it's kind of dusty. I'm just gonna clean that out off right there. Okay, so this is not necessary unless your iPod is very dusty and dirty like this one. No offense to the person that's iPod this is. Okay, so now after you done that, we're almost done. So you have how many? You have 1, 2, 3 screws. Now the third one is not very necessary. This is for the Wi-Fi cable. This is the motherboard, just if you want to know. This is the what's that drink called? Headset component. Ear jack. The speaker jacket. Front facing camera, the back facing camera. What's it called? This is the rest. If you see that orange piece right there, that's the rest of this. It connects under it. You may be able to see it once I lift this motherboard up. So right now what I'm going to do, you see this? It's not really necessary, but I'm going to put these screws on there. Since it's only 3, it shouldn't be hard to forget unless you're mentally slow, and then you shouldn't be actually doing this. I'd rather not lose it over there. So, okay. Use tweezers again. So, keep them in order. I normally just keep it the same way it's that the iPod is facing so I can remember. So, now, unscrew this. This keeps the front-facing camera in place. Okay, where's the tweezers? I got a piece of glass. Man, there's glass everywhere. Like, this is crazy. Oh, crap. So, I think this part came off. But it's not very necessary. So, this part was a piece of the camera, but that part is not very important. If it breaks, it doesn't matter. If it breaks, it doesn't matter because the camera can still stay down. So, all you have to do is just remove this. So, take that, put that right there. Get this third one. I'm gonna do this one just to make sure I don't mess it up. Got a limping bug right here. See this? You can see this. Got a limping bug. I don't know what's wrong with it. Maybe pregnant. I don't know. Okay, so lift this up. Do it gently. Don't want to break nothing. Okay, now, what I forgot to mention, it's not really forgotten, but it's still not far. Take this off, lift this up, and this piece right there, you gotta lift that up as well. So this is the back-facing camera right here. This looks kind of small, don't it? Okay, that should be good. Now, what you want to do is you want to start lifting up the logic board, also known as the motherboard. So I'm going to do it very carefully, very, very carefully. Okay. So, come on, get up, get up. Okay, now, that's good. Now, this part, this copper wire, I never put it back on because it's not needed to be put back on. The reason why it's not needed, but if you want to, you should probably put it back on. It's not really necessary to. So I keep repeating myself. I don't know why. I normally just rip it off or something, so I could take this. Can't remember what it's called. Keep forgetting though. All I know is this part is the part that what's it called? It makes the screen actually touch the screen. Makes it actually a touch screen. The other piece just makes it so the light turns on and stuff. And the sound works. So peel that. Peel that. Peel that. Normally they're all stuck together since I'm not putting it back on. I'm not keeping it stuck. So as you see, this came off easily. It's because I already pushed it down before I took the what's it called? The copper wire off. Copper tape off. Now this is the rest of the screen. I don't need that anymore. Now what you want to do? Take out your new screen. See how broken that is? Look at that. Look at this. It's all blue. We're gonna use a customized one for this fix. Normally we use either black or white, but most people like theirs customized. So, oh man, why does it look like this? Okay. Before we put this on, we want to lift up.
Something off from back there.
Yeah, we do that later. So we want to lift up the camera, and then don't peel this off yet. Peel it off at the last, like one of the last things. Hold on, is this? Okay, it's good. Alright, so now what you want to do is you're gonna put this right. Crap. It's very hard to see at this angle. Maybe my cameraman will lower it down so you can see the side. Like this. I don't know if you can see it under there, but what you want to do is connect this piece to the under. It's very hard. Well, at least for me it is. It takes me like maybe 2 minutes to do it. Something like that. So you can kind of tell. It's like a small hearing where it snaps, but it takes me a while. So crap. I know there's certain techniques to do this, but just don't really know. I don't really know them. I've seen it done to do it very easily, but I don't remember it. So put this. Oh crap! This thing is annoying me. Try to lift this up a little bit higher. I don't want to break it. Are you kidding me? This thing is taking forever. Oh, man. Let's try. It's probably because my hands. You have small hands. It's probably very easily for this. Easily for you to do this. Crap. Thing's not trying to go. This thing's not trying to go on. Like, are you serious? Are you serious? Oh. Well, let me just skip this part real quick.